Okay, so let's look at a reaction Tyrone can do if I go for that lasso sweep. So, same as before, I get double sleeve control. I'm in this closed guard. I'm going to open my legs, use the connection of my legs to turn onto my right side. Get inside control with my legs, 2 feet on the hips, and then I'm just going to throw in that lasso. That foot on the hips is a big thing. That's going to allow me to flare my knee. When I get my foot on the mat, the standing on that hip really is good for turning Tyrone and really forcing that sweep. What a reaction Tyrone can do when I go for that is he can post that foot on the mat. He's made a wedge. So again, path of least resistance, action reaction. I'm not going to kill myself and give myself a hernia sweeping Tyrone to my left. I'm going to take him the other way. So from that position, I just move my hip back. My right foot goes in front of his left knee. The problem is his hips are behind his knee. So if I try to push his knee back, it's not going to happen. But I got to use this grip on the cuff to pull Tyrone forward. When I do that, his hip comes in line with his knee, and it's the push that I want. So from that position, I let go of the sleeve, I find his tricep, and I kick with my leg to get my hip over his hip. So I still kept that grip, built the base of my elbow, and now we're in the top position. Let's get another angle on that one. So, sleeve control. Obviously, this system's just built around this lasso sweep, building it off reactions, possible reactions that Tyrone can do. So, from our position, double sleeve control, open my guard, legs are connected to his hips, so I can shrimp onto my side and bring my legs to the inside, 2 feet on the hips. I stay on my right side and I throw in the lasso, foot on the hip. And now from there, we just go for the first sweep. But Tyrone's reaction is to post with his leg. Notice the way now I'm flat on my back, so I'm going to move my hip back and put my foot in front of his knee. Again, I'm not going to try and push it out at this stage because his hip's too far behind his knee. So I start pulling on his elbow and watch what happens to his hip. It comes in line and then that push-out's easy. So from that position now, I build the base from my right shoulder to my right elbow. I keep the sleeve grip, find the tricep. Notice how far my hips are back from Tyrone's. I want to get my hips over his hips. So I physically kick out with my left leg and bring my hips up on top. Let's just get one more angle on that, bro. So, sleeve control, connection, move inside, lasso in, start to work the sweep, Tyrone posts, foot on the hip, on his knee, and move my hip back. Notice the way I'm on my side, I'm not on flat on my back. So I just pull on the sleeve, push that leg out, find this, kick forward, and we're into mount. So, that is our first reaction of the lasso sweep.